I want to let you guys know that I appreciate everyone that's trying to give me a hand with the welding. Kind of hard to do, you know, when you're not nearby. So I thought I would give you a little rundown on how exactly I'm doing this, and then maybe you guys can spot something I'm doing wrong. So I cut out a hole. I took Greg Porter's recommendation and rounded the corners a little bit. And then I cut this patch, which fits in there pretty good, and I'll get it lined up here and I'll show you. Actually, first I'm going to prep the hole on the inside and the outside, make sure it's all clean. Okay, got my patch in place. Fits pretty good. There's a couple spots that have maybe a 1/16 of an inch of a gap. At the most an 1/8, but really there's not much getting up that big. It's mostly like a 1/16. And there are a few places where it makes contact. And I've got magnets on the back holding it in place. So now I'm just going to throw a couple tacks on. Okay guys, gas is on. It's getting a little low, but still got some flow going. Lowest voltage setting. Wire speed is 60%. That's what Craftsman recommends for 20 gauge. I will sometimes go B, a higher setting, but right now I'm going to go low voltage to try to avoid blow through. Ground it to the body with a clamp to bare metal. Well, the edges have been prepped. On the back side as well. And here we go. Not sure how close I can get my phone to this without damaging my phone. Gas. Clip the end. I'm gonna put some tacks in place so then I can massage the shape, or massage the. It's sticking up a little too far in a couple spots, so I'm gonna just get some tacks to hold it in place. Wow. Hasn't done that in a while. Alright, that's in the spot where my magnet is, so maybe I'm just going to stay away from there right now. And we blew through. Alright, I'll show you up close where I blew through. You can see it blew through a little here, a lot here, and a little here. Okay. I'm going to take my magnets off now. I'm going to clean up that spot real quick. Alright. Some more tacks. Ow. Alright, I'm going to tackle on this backside. The reason I did that is because it blew through again, but I fixed it. And it blew through again. See, you guys, it's blowing through on on the old metal. It doesn't blow through on the new metal. Well, that bottom right one does a little bit, did a little bit, but for the most part it blows through on the old metal. Sorry about that. It blew through again. I'm going to fix it. Yeah, fix that one. Blew through again. Blew through again there. Blew through again. Okay, so I just want to point out that what I'm trying to do to avoid blow through is I start the pool on the new metal, and then once it's hot I'll quickly drag it across to the old metal and then let off. So I start on the new, get it hot, and then pull it across, and then I stop. And you know, you can see it worked good on the one side. On the left side it seemed to work pretty good. On the right side it seemed to blow through a lot. So I don't know. I'm guessing it's just a weakness in the old metal, but you guys tell me. Alright, I'm gonna shut this down because my battery's low. There it is with everything filled in. It's actually not terrible. It's not as bad as it's been. I'll clean it up and take a look at it. Alright guys, last little bit because this thing really is out of juice. So I'm actually pretty happy with how this turned out. There's a couple little pinholes, but I'm going to be fiberglassing this anyway, so I'm not too worried about those. But I think overall that one turned out pretty good. You can see where, you know, it blew through and I had to fill it. So that's still happening, but it's puttering a lot less, and I think it's a workable welder now. But if you guys have any suggestions for improvements, please, by all means, let me know. Thank you. Bye.